Good morning, children. Today we will learn the Narayana Live Classes key of class 6, assignment 2, topic community decision making in a tribe, class 6, and subject is social studies. Right, children? So, Narayana Live Classes key, class 6, assignment 2, social studies, community decision making in a tribe. Right, children. So, first question is you need to identify a famous personality who has completed his scholarship, who has completed his work or research on the tribal groups of Andhra Pradesh. He lived with the tribal groups, he learned about them and he wrote books about them. And you need to identify that particular personality. Who is he? Already you know, children, that is Hemant. Who is that? Hemant Das. That is option C. Option C, Hemant Das was the answer for this. Hemant Das was the answer for that first question. Okay, second question is based upon the characteristic features of the community living. Characteristic features of the community living. Identify the wrong statement in the given sentences. That means you need to identify the wrong statement. What is that? The punch has all the powers. The punch has all the powers, including the removal of patla. Yes, that is correct. If the patla is not working properly, the punch has the power to remove him also. So the punch has all the powers to remove the patla. Correct answer. The headman works for the village community. That is also correct because the headman, he has to work for the development of his community. And the third one is the headman is punished for the mistakes committed by the community members. That is C. That is the wrong one because whoever has committed the mistakes, they will be punished and the headman has the authority to question them. That's all. But he will not be punished. So that is the wrong answer. So option C. Option C. That is punishes Patla. That is the wrong option. Patla will be punished. That is the wrong option for the mistakes committed by the community members. That is the wrong answer. Okay. And see, you have to identify the functions of the Patla. Identify the functions of the Patla. See, ensure the divide and rule policy. First one is ensure the divide and rule policy. Do you think that he will divide all his community members? That is that the function of the Patla? No. Patla has to ensure the unity of the community. So the first one is the wrong statement. And the second one, that is negotiates with the outsiders and the government agencies for the benefit for his own interest. Is it correct? He has to negotiate with the outsiders and even the government agencies for the benefit of the community but not for the sake of his own benefit or his own interest. So that is also a wrong one. And coordinates the community, that is coordinate the community activities like festivals and ceremonies. That is correct. That is correct because he has a function to coordinate the festivals and the ceremonies. So that is the correct one. So option C. Option C. Coordinates. Coordinates. That is the right one. That is the right answer. That is the right answer. And now let us see the next one. That is the life of the tribes was based on the principle of the life, all the tribal communities and their life, it was based on the principle. What is the principle? Equality, community sharing, means they will share everything. Whatever that they get, they will be sharing. So community sharing, cooperation, all are there. Equality is there, cooperation is there, and the community sharing, everything is there. So option D, all. Option D, all is the right answer for this answer. Okay. And now see if there is any dispute, all the cases are decided by whom? All the cases are decided by whom? They have given the first one option is the headman. That is second one is punch, headman and elders. See, all the three together, the elders, the punch and the headman, Patla, all the three together. That is the second option. And the third option is, what is that? By the mutual agreement of the parties. Whoever are there fighting, with their agreement they will solve the problem. Or the fourth one is with the help of the courts. Which one is the right option? Here, the punch, the headman and the elders all together will solve the problem. Hence, option B is the right one. Option B, punch, headman and who? The elders. And the elders. That is the right answer. That is the right answer. Right, children? And see the next question. That is this punch or punch headman and elders. Whenever a mistake is done, they will be sitting together and they will decide the case. No? When they are deciding the case, they can give the punishment, a very severe punishment, equal to imprisonment. No, that cannot be given. Execution or death sentence. No, that cannot be given. What they can give the highest punishment is expelling the people. Expelling means what? Making them to go out of the tribe. Expelling. Expelling means what? Sending them away from the community. That is option C, expelling. This can be done by the people but not all the others, right? Now children, the last question is based upon the concept of the lesson. What is the concept? These communities, they have a distinct culture. What are the common features of these communities? Goans, Koyas, Chenchus, Yanadis, whatever is the tribe that is living, though they have different names, though they are living in different areas, but they have certain common features. What are the common features? That is the question. That is the seventh question is given for 4 marks. Seventh question is given for 4 marks, and this particular question is asked for about the features, common features of a community. What are the common features of the community? What are the common features of the community? First one is they believe that they are the descendants of a common ancestor. They believe that they are the descendants of a common ancestor. That is the first one. Okay. And second one is they feel that the total wealth is a common property. The wealth is a common property for everyone. For everyone it can be shared. So it is the common property. That is the second one. That is the second one. Okay. And the next one is what? There are no rich and there is means there are no rich and no poor people. So no inequalities. There are no inequalities in the society. Caste, religion, or that is caste, religion, or money wise there are no inequalities. And they share the work equally. They share the work equally among the men, women, children. Everybody they will share the work properly and they will do the work. So they share the work properly. And cooperation is observed. Cooperation is the most important aspect among all the members. They will be cooperating among each other while they are going for hunting or for cultivating the crops, whatever it may be, they will be cooperating with each other. That is a very, very important thing. And finally, the last one is celebration of the festivals or ceremonies. All these are done as a part of their lifestyle. Celebration of the festivals or celebration of the ceremonies, they were done as a part of their lifestyle. Alright children, tomorrow we will meet with one more key or one more assignment key. Until then children, have a good day and have a nice enjoyment. Okay, thank you children.